Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Monisha. Today we are making बैंगन का भरता. So let's get into this video. For that, here I have taken an eggplant also known as brinjal. This weighs around 627 grams. Now using a knife, I am going to make little deep cuts on all four sides of the brinjal. So this will help to roast the brinjal very nicely. So that's why we are making cut on this brinjal. So once I have made cut, now I am going to fill the cuts with garlic. So here I have taken 4 cloves of garlic. On each cut I am going to fill with 1 garlic. So total 4 cloves. So this will give a very nice flavor to a बैंगन का भरता. So once I have filled garlic on all 4 sides, I am going to fill only 2 sides with green chilli. For that, here I have taken 2 green chilli. So only 2 sides I am going to fill with green chilli. One side 1 green chilli, other side 1 green chilli, and 2 will be empty. Now our brinjal is ready to be roasted, but before that you need to apply oil on top of this brinjal. For that, here I have taken 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Take any regular cooking oil and nicely apply on top of this brinjal. Nicely rub the cooking oil on all over the brinjal. Now we are going to roast this brinjal for the smoky taste. Now for that, here on a gas stove I placed a roasting net. I'll keep the flame on medium, and I am going to first keep the flame on low. I placed the brinjal and then I have kept the flame on medium. So we are going to roast this eggplant on medium flame. Now how you will come to know your eggplant is perfectly roasted? The skin will start to come off automatically from the eggplant. It will look dark in color, and inside you will see it starts to look cooked. So till then you need to roast on all the sides. So that's why I have not cut the green part, the head area of the brinjal, so that I can use that easily to turn the brinjal. So roasting method will give a very nice smoky and rich taste to a बैंगन का भरता, and it will be very flavorful and very delicious. And this is best served with tandoori roti, even with rice and normal roti, pav, bread, everything. Very delicious. And now as you can see, the skin has started to come off, and now our बैंगन is perfectly roasted. I have switched off the flame and I am going to place this on my chopping board. Now first we will peel off the skin, and you need to peel off the skin while the eggplant is hot. That means immediately. Then only you will be able to easily peel off the skin. So hey friends, if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell icon to stay updated with all my latest videos. And if you like this video, please hit that like button, and please share this video with all your friends and family. So once I peeled off the skin of the brinjal, now we'll cut the tip of the brinjal, that is the head part, just like this. Cut off the top part, and we are going to discard all this, the peeled skin and the head part. And after discarding, now our main job is to mash this eggplant using a knife. So continuously make cuts and keep on mashing with the knife. Keep on tapping the eggplant on top of a chopping board with a knife So you'll get a nice mashed eggplant. So everything will get mashed, the garlic, cloves, green chili, everything which was kept inside the eggplant. So nicely mash it. So once this is very nicely mashed, now we'll start making our bangan ka bharta. Here I have taken a fry pan. To this I have added 4 tablespoons of regular cooking oil. Once the oil heats up, to this I have added 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida, also known as hing. To this I have added half teaspoon of cumin seeds, also known as jeera. Now to this, here I am adding 2 medium sized onions which I have finely chopped. We are going to saute these onions until they turn caramelized. So be patient and saute these onions nicely for the rich flavor of bangan ka bharta. And to this I am adding half teaspoon of salt. This will fasten up the process of caramelization. Now our onions have been perfectly caramelized. To this I am adding 2 cloves of crushed garlic. I am not adding more garlic because earlier we have added garlic. And to this I am adding half inch of crushed ginger. Now we are sauteing this so that the raw aroma disappears. Once the raw aroma disappears, to this I am adding 1 medium sized chopped tomato. Now we'll mix this, and you need to cook this on medium flame for 2 minutes. So this will help the tomatoes to become soft and mushy. So it's been 2 minutes. Our tomato is looking little soft. Now to this I am going to add a roasted and mashed eggplant. Now once I have added this eggplant, I am going to mix this well, and if you find any little chunky piece of eggplant, with the help of spoon you can mash it and mix it nicely. So once this nicely mixed, now I'll reduce the flame, and on low flame we'll start adding our spices, powder spices. So to this I am adding 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. This will give a nice color and light spiciness. To this I have added 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and some salt to taste. Now I'll mix this well, and you need to continuously mash with the help of the spoon. So once this is nicely mixed, to this here I am adding 1 teaspoon of clarified butter, also known as ghee. Now I am going to mix this. So this will give a very nice yummy flavor to a bangan ka bharta. Now once this is nicely mixed, I am going to cover and cook on low flame for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and a bangan ka bharta is ready. Very, very delicious, super yummy. Now I am going to mix this. Once this is mixed, I am going to switch off the flame. And to this, here I am adding handful of chopped coriander leaves. This will make the bharta more flavorful. And I am going to mix this last time, and a delicious bangan ka bharta is ready. Please do try this recipe and give your feedback on the comment section below. I would love to hear your feedback. And if you like this video, please hit that like button, and remember friends, like, share and subscribe. Till then, see ya. Thank you for watching.